Welcome to the second episode of this old Mustang, Resurection. We got a new motor in it. We made a few modifications. A few more things we need to address. There's still a long way to go. But let's go test drive this motor and have some fun right now. Then we'll come back and we'll discuss what the next mod's going to be. What do you think, Ann? All right. Ready to go. I have to warn you. It's loud. And I attribute that to the BBK headers that we put on it. What do we have over here? We got the granddaddy of them all. Let's say hello. You see what I'm looking at, Ann?
Oh, I'm getting it.
Man, look at that. Let's get out and take a look. 305.
When she came, it was loud, yeah. Well, I hear her coming from a mile away. She sure made a boy a man that day. Hear her coming from a mile away. I made not Johnny Brown.
We just took an unscheduled pit stop because we ran into a guy with a 66 Mustang completely restored. This thing does look like it's
No breaks down this time, huh?
oh, hell no, man. We got a low mileage replacement motor. She's running like a top. I got oil pressure out the wazoo. Alternator's charging. It's running cool. We got almost a half a tank of gas. Listen, I don't expect any problems. Nothing's under the hood. Nothing is leaking. It purrs like a kitten. And the guy did me right. He put in a good motor, but it's got a long way to go. Now I'm going to talk about an issue that has only come up since we took it out of the garage after it's sitting for 8-9 months, and we're getting some front end shimmying up around 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 miles an hour. And it doesn't exactly inspire confidence. So I'll have that fixed by next week. I have a feeling I know what's going on, but I have to run through the checklist. Okay, let's get down in a second. Miles an hour, and that's good enough. I don't hear any clunking, and I don't feel too much body roll. I can say without absolute confidence we would annihilate that. He sees me. He knows he got it. I'm not going to beat on my car to try to keep up with the tube out. What do you got done to that? That exhaust is not stock.
Sounds good.
I'm just going to jump in here a little bit and explain some of the things that have just recently been done, okay? And then we'll take a look at this motor under the hood. But just this week, I put in these slotted and drilled 16-inch shore stop rotors with ceramic pads. It stops way better now. And of course, you got your American Muscle chrome bullet rims. Guys, all you millennials out there, you young guys, I love the fact that you're car enthusiasts, but can I give you a word of advice? Drop the black rims. It looks like someone stole your hubcaps, okay? I had to say it. I had to say it. These are humongous. What are they? They're 315-35s. They're 315-35s in the back. These are 10.5-inch. So if anyone's thinking about throwing something like that on your S197, they only come in 17-inch, which means you're only going to be able to, because it's a 10.5-inch deep dish rim, you can fit that big tire on it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to put that tire on it. And quite frankly, I don't think a true American muscle car, old school muscle car, needs 18 or 19 or 20-inch rims. 17, and you're good to go. Of course, you got your soft cloth top, so that makes it look more modern. And then you got your Cervini ram air hood. These are heat extractors. And if you come over here and take a close look, if you can zoom in on those are functional. I just got to get a cold air intake because that under that hood is aerated, man. I don't think we have much heat soak under there when you're going 50 miles an hour and that thing's sucking cold air like that. Okay, now I couldn't clean this because of the COVID-19 virus. The place where I go, they do a great job. Oh my God, the motor looks like it's brand new and it's 30 bucks and it runs perfect and they don't mess anything up. That being said, they've been closed all week, so that's a different motor. Trust me, that's not the original motor. But if you can zoom in down here, if you can get a look, you'll see that there's BBK tubular headers down there. You can get a real good shot on this side. That's why it's so damn loud right now. And then, of course, as you can see, these are new shocks and strut tower. Okay, master cylinder, battery, serpentine belt. Oh, water pump. I just for good measure, I put a new water pump on it when I did the swap, and it's got a brand new alternator on it. Of course, back when I was at Penco Tech, one of the main things was it needed a new clutch pressure plate, lightweight flywheel, throw-up bearing, pilot bearing. That's all been done. That's only got maybe 25, 30,000 miles on it. So that's good. We changed all the fluids have been changed twice already. Friction modifier, in the posi rear or the limited slip rear. It's got sway bar links. Now I do need front end sway bar bushings. Okay, so I asked the guys, listen, if you want to put down in the comment section, darn that sun's bright. If you want to put in the comment section what you think is causing this shimmy in the front end at 70, 80, 90, 100 miles an hour, please give me what you got. These are good tires. They do have a flat spot in the tire, and they were balanced, but the car sat from October till now, till like 2 weeks ago. I don't know if that had an effect. I put the rotors on. That stopped the pulsing in the brakes, and now it stops great, but I still have the vibration. So piece by piece, I'm going to have to figure out exactly what it is, whether it's the tie rods, whether it's the tires are out of balance, but whatever it is, we're going to fix that, okay? And, before we sign off, I'm going to say, I don't even know what they say on YouTube. Ring the bell, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And I promise you, we will go over and do all of the things that we add to it in the next video. So if you remember, and I just mentioned this to Ann, I said, does it feel like it's running better? He goes, Mark, it only ran for about a minute the last time we took it out. Well, I guess it's running for more than a minute right now. So with that, we're going to sign off, you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.